Hi, this is Satish Kota here, founder of Navatize International Trade and Engagement Platform. We help Indian businesses explore new and international markets. Today, I would like to talk to you about the new foreign trade policy. The new foreign trade policy was unveiled on 31st March 2023 by Honorable Commerce Minister Shri Piyush Goyal. The FTP offers many opportunities for Indian businesses to explore international markets for their products and services. So, what's there in this foreign trade policy? First of all, the new foreign trade policy does not have an end date, which means the government can update it any time. Unlike previous ones, where the foreign trade policy was created in 2015 and had a validity only up to 2020. Secondly, the approach itself has been changed. The Department of Commerce itself is undergoing a change to support the FTP. So let's look at what are changed in the new foreign trade policy. The first one is everything is online. Approvals are online. You get e-certificate of origin, paperless filing of all export obligation discharge applications as well. Second, reduction of fees for MSMEs. That's a good amount of reduction of fees for advance authorizations and EPCG schemes. Third is export promotion incentives. The export performance has been revisited. Now you can get a 5-star rate exporter status with a lesser export value. Also do cross-border trade, which means you can purchase from one country and sell to another country without touching India. The rupee trade is going to get a boost. More towns are going to be added for the export excellence. Then the next section would be to talk about district export hubs. Now, export activities are going to go at district level. The capacity, infrastructure, and logistics are going to be built at district level. The government is going to facilitate the ODOP, one district, one product, and give a boost to that. So, which means now you don't have to come to your capital cities, you don't have to do things at the state level or at the national level. Now everything is going to happen at district level in order to increase more exports around it. One more thing that this foreign trade policy has given boost to is for the e-commerce export. A variety of support system is going to be given for e-commerce exports, especially for the B2C. Limits per consignments has been increased. Foreign post office has been enabled in order to generate more e-commerce exports. And at various levels and places, e-commerce exports hubs will be created. Finally, for manufacturing, a lot of opportunities are given. Variety of support systems are given for manufacturing systems. An amnesty is given for export obligation defaults under EPCG schemes. Whoever has been unable to take care of export obligations, now an amnesty is given. Also, the SCOMET is going to get an upgrade. So, like the special chemicals, organisms, materials, equipments, and other technologies, which they get a complete revamp. So what is that inference that we can make out of this? The new foreign trade policy is going to be more export friendly, and it is going to give a boost to India in order to achieve its 2 trillion exports in both products and services by 2030. Nowadays is going to support exporters in order to execute their foreign trade activities. Nowadays is going to give you an artificial intelligence tool by which you are able to identify the markets that is right for your business and explore opportunities. Nowadays also is going to support you in your preparations for exports. If you are interested in knowing more about how Navatize is going to help you, why don't you take our export readiness evaluation and prepare yourself for the new markets. Until next time, thank you and bye.